Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zakirina bin Muhammad Noh. My contact number FY24065. So today I will present my teammate and their role in my company. Okay, my name is firstly is me, Muhammad Zakirina bin Muhammad Noh. So my role in my team is founder. Okay, first my partner is Muhammad Hazim bin Hazlin, TP24027. The role in my company is marketing. Second partner is Muhammad Fayyad Harith bin Abdul Halim, EEL240T0. Their role in my company is research and development R&D functional. Third partner is Muhammad Al Aiman bin Muhammad Ali, FB24042. Their role in my company is production. And the last partner is Azhar Azizi bin Razali, FB24043. Their role is finance and administration. Next, I will present about my business background company. Okay, the first one is this my logo company. Their name is Botrat Estate BHD. For the main business and activity is manufacturing and marketing of e-bike. E-bike is mean short form for electric bike. Okay. For my business name and address is Botrat Estate BHD. The location is 69D/2 Pisaran Bayan Indah 11900 Bayan Lepas Pulau Pinang. For the contact and register number is 03/070650980, or you can call 202503081003. Okay, for the registration and business date is 20 September 2025 and 10 November until 10 November 2025. Okay, that's all for me. So I will pass to my other teammate to present their part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad Azib bin Mazlin with matrix number of TP24020. So right now we'll continue this video about this topic, which is introductions. We'll give you a short introduction about our products and the company itself. Our company name is Borait Sedia Merhats, and our motto is leader of future green mobility, light, smart, durable, and the revolution begins at your pedal. So next is the company overview. Our company was established on 25 November 2025, and our main focus of our industry is electric mobility, especially e-bikes. And the core products of our company is Velour high performance e-bike, and the mission is to reduce carbon emission and promote sustainability active lifestyles. Next, the product itself. The frames were built with ultralight monocoque carbon fiber frames that weighs around 15 kilos and powered by a 750 watts high performance electric motor that have features smart assistance and intuitive navigation display and integrated safety sensors, also GPS tracking and anti-theft system. Lastly, the battery itself, long-lasting and easy to charge battery. So next, we will continue with management and expertise. Founded by partners with expertise in electrical technology, business management, and digital marketing and technical services. Our vision is to become a leading nation's green mobility brand that drives innovations, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. Our operations and locations. Our locate we located at Pesiaran Bayan Indah 11900 Bayan Lepas Penang. The operation that we do is nationwide delivery and maintenance services. Strong focus on digital marketing and customer services excellence. And lastly is financials and growth excellence. Outlook. My bad. Growth outlook. Our initial capitals values around RM 440,000. Funding sources is personal investments and loans. The growth focus for our company is brand development, financial sustainability, and market leadership in Malaysia, especially e-bikes. Okay, that's all from me. My group members will continue with the rest of the videos for the next topics. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Al Aiman bin Muhammad Ali. My metric number is FB24042. And now I will continue the presentation for problems. Firstly, rising fuel and transportation costs. Daily commuting using petrol vehicles has become increasingly expensive due to rising fuel price. This creates financial pressure, especially for students, workers, and urban commuters who travel daily. Secondly, traffic congestion in urban areas. Major cities experience heavy traffic congestions, causing delays, stress, and loss of productivity. Short distance travel become inefficient when relying on cars and or motorcycles. Thirdly is limitation of existing e-bikes. Many current e-bikes are heavy, lack smart technology, or have poor after-sale service. This reduces user convenience, safety, and long-term reliability. Next is the solution. First of all, cost-efficient electric mobility. Volride's Velora e-bike reduce dependency on fuel, lowering daily transportation costs. Low charging costs and minimal maintenance make it economical for long-term use. Second, smart and efficient urban transportation. The lightweight carbon fiber designs allow easy maneuvering through traffic, ideal for short to medium distance travel, helping users avoid congestions. Third is advanced and user-focused e-bike design, equipped with smart features such as GPS tracking, anti-theft system, and digital display, supported by strong after-sales service, including a one-year free service. And next is a product and service. E-bike product, which designed specifically for everyday urban users, lightweight between 15 kilo for ease of handling, operating range between 50 and 80 kilometer with kinetic energy. Home fitness mode, foldable, has various gear options, equipped with safety features. The price range is RM 3,500 to 6,500, and the color option is black, gray, and navy blue. Additional service provided are booking via app. Second is year free service, 1 year free service, and lastly battery exchange program. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fahid Rabi Abdul Halim, EL24030. Now I will continue with marketing plan. First, we have business model, which age group 18 to 45 years, mid to high income earners. Our customer segments basically from office worker, which are from 30% of customers, young professionals 25%, university students, food delivery riders, and freelancers. Our marketing strategy, first we have product differentiation. We give 3-year warranty, factory exchange with 30% discount. Pricing strategy, 0% financing for 12 months. 800 doll- 800 ringgit trade-in discount for bicycles. Promotion strategy, influencer collaboration, and e-bike sport and community event. Next, we move to market size. In Malaysia, 2023 sales are 18,000 to 22,000 units, and 2028 forecast 50,000 to 100,000 units per year. Growth rate 18 to 22% CAGR. Key drivers 75% urban population, petrol price up 32% since 2020. Sales distribution by state, Klang Valley 45%. Next, we move to competition analysis. We have Xiaomi Himo, Specialized Turbo, and Volts Malaysia. Xiaomi Himo, strength with IoT technology and global brand, and weakness, limited service and short warranty. For Specialized Turbo, strength, performance, and premium brand. Weakness, high price. Volts Malaysia, local service, 2-year warranty. Next, team expertise. First, we have Zakir Daniel, 25 years, executive project designer, proficient in design. Next, Hazim Mohazin, 22 years, data analysis, expert in analysis and technical skills. Third, Fayyad Haris, 22 years, technician, expert in wiring. Fourth, Al-Aiman, 22 years, maintenance technician, analysis and teamwork expertise. Finally, Azhan Azizi, 22 years, operator. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azhan Azizi Banazali. Today I want to present about milestone. First, we have to think complete and upcoming. For complete, business preparation, business registration, getting capital, making a loan, site opening and operation. And for upcoming, small scale production setup, purchase of machinery and tools, soft launch and pre-order opening, digital marketing campaign rollout. Commercial production begin, nationwide distribution, after sales service system implementation, brand strengthening through event and exhibition, and lastly planning for regional market expansion. Next, I want to talk about investment needed. First, objective to apply for financing from local banks and the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation to secure the necessary funding. This is to obtain sufficient fund to commence operation and receive capital support for initial growth, to seek investment from local companies to gain early stage support. Second, based on market analysis, we estimate that sales for the first month of operation will amount to 500,000. This estimate based on the initial demand expected for the target customer. For the following month, the sales estimate will change according to several factors such as public awareness of the environment, the increased use of e-bike and public awareness of the cost saving from using e-bike. For a conclusion, Worldride SDM BHD is a viable and sustainable green mobility business with strong growth potential in Malaysia. Rising demand for eco-friendly transportation and government EV initiatives support market expansion. Lastly, the Vlora e-bike offer competitive advantage through smart technology, lightweight design and energy efficient.